What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Happy Friday. We made it through another week in the stock market. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the stock account. I'm going to go over the option moves that I made today, as well as the technicals on that move. I'm going to look at the crypto portfolios, and then I'm going to cover any stock or options moves I'm hoping to make soon, as well as give not financial advice, but some comments on if I was not in my current portfolio, what stocks would I be looking to add to it. So please hit the like for the YouTube algorithm, as well as make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any updates to the portfolio. If you guys want my stock and options blueprint, it's going to be free to my first 1,000 subscribers. So if that's something that you want, just click the Instagram handle in my description of this video and just send me a message, and I'll send that right over to you as a thanks to subscribing. So the account hit 290K today, which was pretty exciting, up 1.25% or 3,500 on the day. As far as the top movers, we got Tesla at 1.5% up today. CrowdStrike up 2.2% today. CrowdStrike is actually coming up on almost 190% gain right here. So that's my top stock. I've been buying it, as you can see. Let's see here. Since 2022, it looks like. So that's going to be definitely my best gainer right now. So that's pretty exciting. They have earnings the next 2 or 3 weeks, so that might push it over 200%. Enphase, whoa, looks like Enphase just took a dip. 7%, that must have been after hours. Let's actually look at that really quick. Not seeing it. Oh, that's gain or loss. Sorry, guys. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I got messed up there for a second. So Enphase is only down 2% today, not 7%. My position is down 7%. I was just in the wrong tab there. What else? Shopify finally up a little bit, and everything else was pretty much flat. For the options move that I made today, so if you look up right here at the top, May 17th, I sold 2 put options on Nike for next month, the 28th, which is about like 42 days away, I think. $85 strike price, and collected $246 in credit. This to me, guys, was just such an easy, like, set it and forget it put option. If Nike does breach 85, so we're going to look at the technicals. I got the chart pulled up here. If we look back last October, which is pretty much the lows for the whole market, if you look right here, Nike briefly touched 88, and that was, when the entire market was low. And so I don't anticipate that it would get back to those levels, now with the market being where it is. And it ran up to 122 there at the top, recently fell back down to 88, but this was back in April, it looks like. And if it goes, breaches the 88 and goes to 85, I'll gladly pick up some shares. However, unlike some people, I really don't ever take assignment when it comes on put options. So if it does breach the 85, I will then start defending those put options by either selling some calls to collect credit and rolling out, or I will short the stock. So we'll see. But I do not anticipate it going to 85. But if it does, that'd be cool. We'll pick up some shares. Let's see. Let's check out the crypto portfolio which was up 1% today, $400 to 43,800. So that's looking good. Just holding Bitcoin and Ethereum in here. And then what was really the main mover in the account today, I forgot to cover, was this IBIT Bitcoin ETF. So that was up 3% today. So I think this could be a pivotal weekend for Bitcoin. Normally weekends tend to be pretty flat, and then Sunday evening you'll start to see what it's going to do for Monday. But we will see. Definitely exciting in the cryptoverse right now. So let's look at the little Robinhood now. So the call on, let's see, the SQQQ calls officially expired worthless today, right there at the top. So that sweep just expired worthless, which was the hedge, expired worthless, which was what it's supposed to do. So Ethereum had a nice move today, so that's why the account was up $400. I'm still holding onto the SoFi call there at the top, and we're back in the positive now. So we're up 3.42% on the Ethereum position. This account is pretty much going to be exclusively Ethereum. I wish Robinhood would allow other altcoins to be bought, but I don't think they do as of right now. As far as any other stocks I'm looking to buy, this is pretty much my watch list that I use to actually check stocks, because I just like Robinhood's platform the best. I'd be looking at Shopify. I would continue to add to Palantir. Nike, like we already talked about. SoFi is something that I would be adding right now. Snowflake is at a good level. PayPal is at a good level. Starbucks, I would be buying. Unity Software is down a ton right now if you're a Unity investor. Boeing is looking like could be a good swing trade, and also Ulta Beauty. So those are the list of stocks that if I was not in the positions that I currently am, I would be buying shares of those companies. I just don't like to be spread too thin, or else you're going to be too diversified almost. I'd rather be a little bit more concentrated in the portfolio. So that's pretty much it today, guys. Like I said, we have earnings, I think, on Monday for Palo Alto. So that's pretty exciting. And then NVIDIA earnings, I believe, are coming up soon. So that seems to be the next catalyst overall, for the entire market as a whole. But other than NVIDIA, there's really no big, CPIs or anything like that coming up soon, I don't believe. So it'll be interesting to see what the market does. But I'll be here covering it for you. If I make a move in the portfolio, that's when I'm going to post a video. So if I'm not posting a video that day, it's because I just didn't, make any moves that day. I don't find it particularly interesting just to say like, hey, the account's up or down, whatever percentage today. I really want to give you guys what I'm doing, the moves I'm making, so that you can follow along, or, if you choose to, make those moves as well. So, we can grow our accounts together, hopefully. Thanks again, guys. Really appreciate the love. And I will see you guys next week.